Here's my generator. It's just a $600 Predator, 2,000 water. Turn the fuel on. I guess it's pulling. Somewhere in there, and then it goes over there. That's a big cat. Stop doing that, cat. And then portable air conditioner. It's the Vevor from Amazon. I think it's like $300, 73 degrees. Could do 69. It blows cold air. Whew. It's already cold ass there. The duct work, I basically open the vent like that, put the duct work there, and then wrap some pants around it, and it's sealed. It blows hot air out. If you close that duct, the air conditioner is not going to work. But yeah, this, when you put curtains on your window, pull these curtains, and I even do like a Mercer blanket or whatever, and then you could do even more curtains. It'll turn this sleeping area into a freezer. Even in like Phoenix, Arizona.